If you want to start making money online in 2026, Fiverr is still one of the easiest platforms for beginners because honestly, you can start selling digital services with no office, no inventory, and sometimes even without advanced experience, and thousands of people are using Fiverr right now to make money from home using simple skills. So in this video, I'll give you a complete beginner Fiverr tutorial for 2026 step-by-step, including how to create your account setup gigs and start getting clients first. What is Fiverr? Fiverr is a freelancing platform where people sell online services. Things like video editing, thumbnails, voiceovers, subtitles, graphic design, AI, content translations, and social media services. Businesses and creators go to Fiverr looking for freelancers and, honestly, that's why it became one of the biggest online work platforms in the world. Now, first step, create your Fiverr account. Go to the Fiverr website or app, then sign up using .email, Google, Apple, or Facebook. Now choose a professional username carefully because, honestly, changing usernames later can be difficult. Try using something simple and easy to remember. Now, second step, set up your profile correctly. This part is very important because buyers look at your profile before ordering. Add a clear profile photo, short description, and the skills you offer, and honestly, specific profiles usually perform much better. For example, instead of, I do editing, say, I create short-form TikTok and Instagram Reels with captions, because buyers instantly understand what you offer. Now, third step, create your first gig. A gig is basically your service listing. This is what customers see when searching on Fiverr Press. Create a new gig. Now you'll need a title, category, description, pricing, and images. And honestly, your title matters. A lot of searchable keywords people actually type. For example, I will edit TikTok videos or I will design YouTube thumbnails. Now, another huge thing, your gig thumbnail, because Fiverr is very visual. People often decide to click in seconds. So use bold text, clear examples, and clean designs, and honestly, better thumbnails can massively increase clicks. Now let's talk about pricing, because beginners usually make one of two mistakes, either charging way too much or way too little. Successful beginners start with affordable prices, fast delivery, and simple packages, just to get reviews and build momentum. Now, another important thing, respond quickly to messages because Fiverr tracks response rates and honestly, buyers often contact multiple freelancers at once. So fast replies can seriously increase your chances of getting orders. Now let's talk about skills that work really well in 2026. Some of the biggest Fiverr categories right now are short form, video editing, AI content, services, Canva, design, subtitles, thumbnails, and social media management. And honestly, many of these services can now be done much faster using AI tools. Now, another huge advantage in 2020 skill using AI to work faster. A lot of freelancers now use ChatGPT for writing, Canva AI for design, CapCut for editing, and AI voice tools for content. And honestly, this lets freelancers complete more orders in less time. Now, here's another thing beginners need to understand. Your first orders are the hardest to get because you start with no reviews, no ratings, and no reputation. That's why consistency matters so much at the beginning. Many successful sellers improved by changing gig titles, improving thumbnails, and optimizing keywords until the algorithm started pushing their gigs. Now, let's be honest for a second. Fiverr is not instant money, but honestly, it's still one of the easiest ways to start freelancing online in 2026, especially for people willing to learn simple digital skills. So to wrap this up, using Fiverr as a beginner is basically create your account, set up a strong profile, make clear gigs, use searchable keywords, respond quickly, and stay consistent until you start building reviews. Because honestly, once you get momentum on Fiverr, it can become a very powerful way to make money online.